Hello and welcome to another episode of Culinary Quests. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and so on and so forth. This will be, well, honestly, this is the third video for this channel, but this will be the last one for the year. So, from my family to yours, happy holidays and happy new year. So, with that, the weather getting cold and snow coming soon, I figured it would be a good time to do something a little more festive or relaxive, easy, and, well, you see it everywhere anyway, so why not? I decided to do peppermint bark. Easy one, of course. So, for this, all you will need, food-wise, is chocolate chips to be melted, white chocolate chips to be melted, peppermint to crush, or you can get the pre-crushed stuff. And that will be it for food. Equipment-wise, you'll just need a refrigerator, a baking pan, and wax paper I saw in one of the recipes, but I used the non-stick silicone placemat, and I think it worked just the same. But yeah, wax paper, silicone mat, whatever works for you. Forgot to mention this earlier, you will also need a double boiler, or 2 to 3 pots. One for water, possibly 2 for the chocolate chip, and white chocolate. It's up to you if you want to separate the two after melting, or if you want to put them in one pot, wash it, and then put the other chip in the same pot. Up to you. So, first step you'll need to do is realize you're not recording what you're doing, and you feel like an idiot when you have most of the work done already. Ugh. You will have to unwrap the peppermints, whether they're in a candy cane form or in peppermint drops like I have here. And then put them in the bag, and with the might of Thor, smash them. Yeah, I got this hammer at a local Hobby Lobby. Just one of those things like, you see it and you go, yeah, gotta get it. So I did. And after you're done with that, or while you're crushing the peppermints, start boiling water. Take a boiler and double boiler and start boiling some water in the bottom pot. Now, I didn't remember or recall where my double boiler was at the time, so improvised. Took a smaller pot of water, boiled that, and put a bigger pot with the chocolate chips inside of it. And it works. So basically, all you gotta do is melt the chocolate. As shown, make it nice, smooth, and creamy. And when you're done melting everything, transfer it all to the silicone or wax paper covered baking sheet. And after you're done with that, all you have to do is eat... oh shit, I just realized I wasn't recording again. You can put the peppermint on at this stage as well. Yeah, as well. You can put the peppermint on at this stage if you want to put some little more mint flavor upon the chocolate. Or you can wait to do it last. I put some on after I realized I stuck it in the refrigerator, and I didn't bother bringing the camera over. So, stick it in the refrigerator for about 30 or so minutes. Let it get nice and cool once more so it's hard. And if you wanted to break off a little bit. And in the meantime, or close to when you're finished cooling the chocolate off, start boiling water again. And this time I didn't use the same pot. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I used a pan, thinking it would be the same, or perhaps it was just this type of white chocolate I used. Basically the same thing, just melt your chocolate. Like I said just a second ago, the chocolate didn't seem to work out as well this time around for whatever reason. It was really thick and like just almost congealed, like almost. So I did buy some more. I want to make it again, but like I said, I don't know what happened with this. So melt it down, and once it's all melted and at a better consistency than what I have, place it on top of your cooled chocolate. Make sure it's nice and hard, or maybe if you have an anti-griddle, place it on there. But mine, obviously because I was trying to spread it out, it really did warm up the chocolate and it mixed up together fairly well, as shown. Oh well. Final step, add some more peppermint to the white chocolate, or if you just want to do one layer, add it on here. And then stick back in the fridge for about 30 or so minutes. Afterwards, pull it on out, break off a piece, and enjoy. With this, you can obviously store it for a little bit in airtight containers. And it stays really good for a good amount of time. Like I said, I'm going to attempt to do this again. I'm probably not going to do a video on it. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure what happened with the chocolate, with the white chocolate chips there. I did get a different kind, which is specific baking chips. The package looks like it's meant for like dipping sauces and stuff like that, so I'm hoping that'll be a little bit better. But anyway, like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year's to everyone, from mine to yours. And I'll see you again next year. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.